Last video of the day. Juliana Sproles checking in. Welcome to my candle channel. So I took a sheet of beeswax off of my cookie sheet. I have a small cookie sheet, and I froze it, and then I popped it off the cookie sheet. After that, I rolled it. I just heated it up gently on a piece of parchment paper over a little hot water bath. And then I rolled it like this, and I cut it. So I made this little one was the end of this tall one, and I wanted to make 3 to go together. So let's see how these are gonna work out. They're not exactly even, but I can cut them and make them straighter, or I can do something to adjust them and make a little bouquet. So what I'll do here is find my wick sustainer tabs. Pretty impressed with how much light this one's throwing off. So cool. All right, I don't want to heat these up too much. So I'm going to pull the end through. See, I cut it in half. It was just a log, and I cut it in half. So we're going to pull this through and make a point, so that I can feed this onto here. And I have plenty of room to crimp it so that it will stay. Nice and strong. Straighten it out. And then I'll just gently pull it back through and press it into the base. It's still warm, so I can shape it a little bit, make it round. And since I crimped it, I'm going to go ahead and just trim that off. So we have a fairly tidy bottom of the candle. And then just sort of tidy that up a little bit. Okay. This center, the wick isn't completely in the center. Pull it over, trim it. So now we have kind of an abstract rose shape. The seams look a little bit like parchment paper. Right. Okay, that's 2. And then the third one would go here, yeah? All right. This is just pure art at this point. Pure art and pure experimentation, which makes it very fun. Okay. Make this nice sharp point. And I'll put this on here. it. Oops. Good thing I didn't press that yet. Okay, here we go. Get a little more room to work with. I've got plenty of wick. Not worried about wasting this one since it's such an experiment. Okay, when we crimp the tab on there, it bends it, but I can bend it back somewhat wavy, flat-ish. Pull it through, press it into the bottom of the candle, just still a little bit warm. Okay, and then I will trim this a little bit off. So we have the bottom of the candle, we have the edge of the candle. It's almost like working with clay in a way. Okay, and then here's the top. This one's a little bit more centered. So I will trim it like this. And I will place it here for my third candle. And we can play with these to see if we want them to be if I want the edge to be showing or not. Maybe I want it to be, yeah, I kind of like that showing. There we go. Something like that. Juliana Sproles, signing out.